Max, what are you doing, Max? Whoa.
What'd you get into, Maxwell? A big ball of yarn? Are you supposed to mess with this stuff? I don't think so.
Hey, pull the yarn a little bit away from him, see if he'll walk to it.
See if it'll what?
Walk to it.
Okay, hold on. Thank you, Maxwell. Now everyone sees what we keep in our dining room. Okay. Come on. Yeah, no, he'll walk to it. Walk. Sit up. Look up. Wait, you're going. Come here. Come here. Keep it coming. Come here. Come on. You want the big ball of yellow yarn? You broke into the cabinet to get it. Hey, you're walking so good, buddy. Go on, Blue. Yay! Here you go. Yay!
That was awesome.